Click on the link below to get price. The 6-pack LED post top light offers a versatile lighting solution suitable for various outdoor settings. Designed for easy installation, these lights are particularly useful for illuminating pathways, gardens, or commercial spaces. Their adaptable nature is highlighted by selectable wattage and color temperature options, allowing users to tailor the lighting to their specific needs. One of the standout features of this product is its selectable wattage, which provides 3 options: 80W, 64W, and 48W. This flexibility allows users to choose the appropriate level of brightness based on the area being illuminated. For larger spaces or areas requiring more illumination, the 80W setting might be ideal, while the lower wattages can be used for more intimate settings or areas where less light is required. Additionally, the 6-pack LED post top lights come with adjustable color temperatures. Users can select from multiple options to create the desired ambience, whether it's a warm glow for a cozy atmosphere or a cooler, brighter light for more functional spaces. The choice is available at their fingertips. This feature makes it suitable for a range of applications, from residential landscaping to commercial lighting needs. The installation of these lights is designed to be straightforward. They can typically be mounted on existing post tops, making them a convenient option for those looking to upgrade their outdoor lighting without extensive renovations. The lightweight design adds to the ease of handling during setup. In terms of durability, the LED lights are constructed to withstand various weather conditions, which is essential for outdoor lighting. Their robust design ensures longevity, while the energy-efficient LED technology promises reduced electricity consumption compared to traditional lighting solutions. This can be particularly beneficial for users looking to minimize their environmental footprint or reduce utility costs over time. In conclusion, the 6-pack LED post top light provides a flexible and efficient lighting solution for outdoor environments. With its selectable wattage and color temperature options, it caters to diverse lighting needs, while its user-friendly installation makes it a practical choice for many. Whether for residential use or commercial applications, these lights offer a reliable and adaptable solution that can enhance the aesthetics and functionality of outdoor spaces.